We all know that everyone has their way of stacking the dishwasher, but we'll show you how to load your appliance effectively so you get the best results. First, to help water circulate properly, let's start with the bottom rack. Load plates and dishes with the dirty side facing the water. Place pots and pans downwards to avoid overcrowding or stacking. Any roasting tins and baking trays can be placed along the sides and back of the rack. Next, load your cutlery basket or drawer. Ensure forks and spoons don't nestle together and face knife blades downwards for safety. Lay utensils with long handles on the top rack. Face spoons downwards so water doesn't pool, and ensure enough space between all your cutlery. Finally, load the top rack. Angle cups and bowls on a tilt for water drainage and put glasses along the rack's edge for a gentler wash from jets. For any drinkware, avoid placing it on the prongs to limit water spots, and make sure wine glasses aren't touching to prevent them from shattering. Dishwasher-safe plastic items should go on the top shelf where it is less likely to melt from the heating element.